Hola. Hola, we're on the ferry, me and Andy.
What's up?
What's up? The guy who brought the suitcase. The guy who brought the suitcase.
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned. About to get going across the lake. Should be pretty. Alright, we're on our ferry ride to Monteverde.
Lake Arenal is Costa Rica's largest lake. It varies from 30 to 60 meters in depth and is famous for its windsurfing and kite surfing on its western end and a dam for hydroelectricity on its eastern end.
When I saw you, there's a lady shooter nada or nothing. Maybe now everyone will slowly walk here. Wow. So we had to put in now everyone will come in. This is so cool. You getting the video?
Yeah, I got most of it.
So I won't take mine.
Seems to be confusion on the buses. Got a bunch of people just standing around. Nobody knows what numbers are which. It's frustrating. But it's part of travel. We got some cows over here to keep us company. I'm at 1,143 right now. Just kidding. Pretty landscape. Dope. Get to my house, that's it. I think it might be our bus up there. I don't know, we're still waiting. Adios. Hola! Okay, so...
My phone's not working.
His phone's not working, it broke. But we're gonna get it fixed when we get to the next city. So the bad news is... Amigo come up to us and he said the bus broke down. It'll be about 40 minutes. He said there's a town we can walk to, not too far up the road. He said about 5-minute walk. Usually when they say 5-minute walk, it means 15 or 20. So now we're walking. Go to this town. Hopefully they have cervezas. That's just part of traveling. This happens. We started a chain. Andrea didn't come. Oh yes, she did.
I knew to.
Hola! They're not happy.
After making it over the hill, there was a small hut which appeared to be a diner of some sort that was actually open.
What is the thing we can give more?
Yeah.
40 minutes to, so we have to pace now.
Did he say they are in Puerto Vallarta? That's about an hour and a half.
What? You write it like this?
You wait for numero dos?
I think M Fanta.
It's all a plan.
Malt.
The driver's wife
Oh,
works here.
malty. Okay, malt.
The
Okay.
driver's wife works here. They said it broke down and we all get drinks here.
That's with this one we can find.
I was like, we are very sorry it broke down.
So,
The bus finally picked us up. Didn't take long at all, really.
25 minutes.
But I walked all this. I'm proud of myself. My hungover friend. Pia la vida. With the story. Man. Unreal. So beautiful. Unreal, it really is. Amazing. So apparently they just had a really bad storm probably about 5 weeks ago. Had multiple landslides, and a lot of this greeny scenery, Hillary's Looks like mud now because a bunch of the land just fell. Amigo said because the land's so soft. But there was some massive flooding.
We're next to the windmill there.
It's a shame because this place is so beautiful and still beautiful. And we got, okay, yeah.
I think we're going right there.
So we're coming up to these windmills. And
50% like this.
41. The windmills provide 41% of the electricity. That's pure life right there, pure vida. Pure vida. There they go. That's how big they are. Wow. Unbelievable. So, we both got to pee really bad. And this bumpy ass road is not helping whatsoever. He says he's about to pee right in the seat. Oh god, me too though. Viva la vida. Alright, so I made it to my hostel. It's super fucking windy here. Jesus! It's crazy here though, man. The wind is so strong. So, I booked a tour to go do all the zip lines today. So that should be pretty fun. And they got the Tarzan swing. Hopefully I'm able to fit my GoPro on my head. This is my room. They left a little heart towel, so that's nice. A TV and a Bible. Looks like I might be sharing with somebody if somebody ever shows up, but just me. This is nice. Just a small little room. Yeah, but I'm starting to get a little hungry. I might go find something to eat here in a minute. Costa Rica, pura vida, pura.
To be quite honest, I've never really ziplined before, but being the adrenaline junkie I am, I couldn't turn down an opportunity here in beautiful Monteverde.
Alright, hold on, this and this.
Yeah, I guess.
You guess?
Sit down, friend.
Yep. Oh.
Something I have been looking forward to this trip was the famous Tarzan swing. This thing was massive, and not gonna lie, I was a little scared standing up there.
Bend your knees. Okay. Step forward. 1, 2, 3.
¡Ya, mira! ¡Woo!
fuck, that's fun. One more? Okay.
The view from the top was nothing short of spectacular. We had one more zip line on the day, which happens to be the longest in Latin America. They call it the Superman, where they literally hang you by your back and send you 3,400 feet and 600 feet high. I was definitely a little nervous.
Fiona, mira!
Pura vida, mae.
Okay.
If you are ever in Monteverde, I definitely recommend checking this place out. The Extremo Park had excellent guys who knew what they were doing and provided me with an unforgettable experience.
Alright guys, we're in here in Monteverde. It's super cloudy. I just woke from my nap. But we're going downtown. We're gonna have drinks with some friends that we've made along the way. We met up with some people that we made friends with back in San Jose, and they're supposed to be here.
Hey, you have charge on your
And we're all supposed to go to this bar called Amigos tonight. Here we are. Off we are.
He's at tip. And then at the end, because it was adding up, he said, oh, I put 15%. So
300.
like, and they actually gave us complimentary dessert.
No way, because of that.
No, not because of that. Before that, they gave us so we were very happy with that. No, don't. My rants shouldn't go on video.
Yes, they do. They're the best part of the
Do you
trip.
make videos?
Yeah, see.
No way.
All trip is making videos.
When I get back, I'll put together a nice travel vlog.
Do you have YouTube?
Yes. Yeah.
Like, do you upload them?
I haven't uploaded anything yet. This will be my first one. Like, I had one from a while ago, but I created a new channel so I could do stuff like this and travel videos.
Share your...
Yeah. It's been fun. And that, did you guys go to La Fortuna?
We did.
How was that?
It was really fun.
I didn't see you guys there at all. We did the volcano hike. And we did the hot springs and stuff. What else did we do in La Fortuna? We did a boat safari tour. Actually, it's on the camera. Some monkeys threw some poop at him.
He told me.
If you want to watch that video.
Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy.
I know her. Oh, sweet dog. Sweet puppy. What are you doing? He loves his life. Probably get fed all the time, don't you, buddy? I'm meeting some friends at the supermarket, and we're gonna go get something to eat. Should be dope. And then the bar, Amigos. Yeah, I need to rent one of them too. Those bikes look fun.
This dog?
Yeah, sweet dog.
Are you petting him?
Yeah, I was.
That's why he's still like that.
Look at him. Oh, that looks cool. Treehouse, restaurant, and cafe. Wow. Wow. Amy's supermarket. This has to be the spot, but I don't see nobody. Wow. Dope. I could definitely find something by my girlfriend here. Wonder what she likes. Alright, we'll go down here at the supermarket. Dope.
I have no idea how much it
Dude, this is like a real tree in the restaurant. This is dope. Cool. Killing it. Dope. No dancing for me.
I lied. They definitely got me to dance. We didn't stay long at Club Amigos, but we had a good time and headed to a small diner that was open late afterwards to talk with some locals.
So you just go to Amigos when you want to have fun? Amigos? That's the only one, right?
Bar Amigos?
Yeah. Is there anything else?
There, but yeah, it's a nice, it's a more hip place. It's more international music, dancing, and stuff like that.
Right.
And then this one will be the more local bar. The guy from Texas who had his bar open, he was open at the Taverna, and he closed down. So, but it was good. It was good. It was a good lounge, which was okay.
It's crazy how all these places close down.
Well, if the people don't like it, they don't make enough money.
I went to UT for one semester.
I hated it so much. I hate the color of it.
I did circuit designing there. Semiconductor.
Whoa, you look way different.
Always bald and shaven.
You look way different.
My homie. Wow.
That's him.
Hey, you're 10 times happier now, though, right?
Oh, of course.
Did they shave you or you had a shave or?
And yeah, okay, so this is in. Yeah.
Try this. Try that.
Yeah, it is.
That's it. I feel something in my tooth. How's your meal?
Pura vida.
How's Costa Rica?
Pura vida.
How's Costa Rica?
My default answer is.
How's Costa Rica?
Bueno, perfecto. Papi, let me see your ring. Oh, senor. You're a good dog, though. You're gonna live a good life. They just beg for food. They're good dogs. Good morning, guys. Today is my 6th day in Costa Rica, and this morning I got some chicken. That's pretty good, and some fries. But I also booked a night walk later tonight. I think today mainly I'm just gonna chill and relax, and because I've been going non-stop since I've been here. So yeah, I got a night walk tour, and we'll probably see frogs, snakes, and a bunch of other cool animals. Hopefully, fingers crossed. It should be a good day. Tomorrow morning I'm leaving Monteverde and heading to Jaco. Hopefully I'm gonna get some surfing done. We'll see how that goes. Apparently the hostel I'm staying at like offers lessons, so I'll probably take those up. And yeah, should be fun. It's not too bad. It ain't worked. It ain't been too bad. Been a long day already. About to take a nap.
How's a long day?
And
you went for a run.
Andy's about to go on an ATV tour.
Yeah, baby.
I hope he has fun. He's gonna get muddy, but he's gonna enjoy himself. But me, booked a night tour. Gonna take a nap. Probably push the beds together. Have a king size bed.
I'm the sidekick on all your videos. I
Pura
guess,
vida.
right? I'm like the.
I mean, you're a main character. You're.
I love to pee in my wetsuit.
Yes, I do. I knew one of them stickers. Pura vida. So, I guess I accidentally booked the wrong tour than my friends, so I'll be going on this one by myself. It's a little cold. Probably not dressed appropriately. You have to bring a light. I don't even have a light. I lost my voucher. They're still nice enough to let me go, so Pura vida. Pura vida for real. These are good people, and I'm grateful because I shouldn't be on this trip right now, but we're gonna make the most of it. Enjoy it. See.
Maybe every 2.5 to 3 years. So that's it. It's a regular mama, like human. She has a placenta, and she's normally pregnant for 1 year. And she only have one.
It's a butterfly.
And butterfly bird inside. It's a glass butterfly. Look the wings.
Wow.
See?
¿Qué es eso?
Un insecto palo.
¿Palo?
See? Walking stick. Here's the female.
How you tell?
Looking here. That part is more big. The male is like a fine. All this part. See. Class 3
Yeah.
is ficus.
Ficus?
Ficus.
See.
It's ficus tree.
Like a strangle trees.
Strangle tree.
Inside, look,
Spiders.
yeah, many spiders. So the other tree,
Yeah.
yeah,
Ooh, spider.
yeah,
That's the second tree.
the second tree, yeah.
There's a snake up here. Wow. He's beautiful.
The shake.
Ooh.
Online.
Solo una luz. The tarantula.
Wow. He is big.
First food, coffee roast, only in green beans.
He's almost there. Oh, he made it.
He's spongy. You can. Want to turn your light off, Mom? It's flash. Here.
Hola. ¿Cómo está? Night tour was pretty fun. It was okay. By myself. My friends ditched me. No, I booked at the wrong place. But it's still fun. It was cool. Now, for some more cervezas and taco. Pura vida. More bars! More live music! And friends! And Greta! And where'd Toffee go? Hi, Toffee! We're doing more live music. We're drinking cervezas. Hopefully we get something to eat.
hope the market's still open, so I guess it is.
I feel bad.
What's up, guys? It was alright night. All my friends are still at the club, but just wasn't really feeling it. I guess you could say I was in a bad mood. Ready to go to the next city in the morning. We leave at like 8:15. We're going to Hako. And yeah, just ready to get in Hako. I really looking forward to surfing, learning how to surf. And I think I'm gonna book a 1 day tour to Tortuga Island. Tortuga Island. That's what it is. It should be fun. Yeah, it's pretty cheap to get there. If we take a city bus, it's gonna be 6 hours. But we booked a private shuttle, and it's gonna be 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's only like $50, not too bad. But yeah, 2 more cities to go and 6 more days, 3 days in each city. So about at the halfway point of my trip, and I'm excited. I've already had the time of my life, and yeah, I can't wait to see the beaches and the ocean. It's gonna be insane. But yeah, all right, I'm going to sleep. So good night, guys.